welcome to our vlog where we are attending a cooking class gifted to us by Brits. I'm trying to set up this tripod in the car. This is the new way to vlog.
Very innovative. I read it.
What? It's good. Ooh. Okay, pro chef. Thanks, Britt. We really enjoyed our class. I feel like it's a really good bonding activity.
Thanks, Brett. It was a fun time. It was amazing to make to bake and without having to clean up and prepare everything. So it was sick.
And the donuts turned out to be delicious.
Yeah.
So we already ate a bunch while making that. And yeah, we're gonna take them home and other people will eat them too. Thanks for watching.